Sir, my friend Neha informed about viral what is viral.
Okay, we will see. It is a good question. You have to know what is virus, and it is a microorganism that it is having the life cycle like this. The main life cycle of virus will be first in our body the viral absorption will be there. Later it will be penetrate into our body. This is followed by uncoating, then transcription, followed by translation, and assembly. After the assembly, it will be released into our body. There are several types of virus, namely rhinovirus, flavivirus, muxovirus, filovirus, retrovirus. The main diseases that has been caused by viruses are rhinovirus. It will be responsible for the common cold and pneumonia. Flavivirus it will be responsible for the disease caused by this flavivirus will be yellow fever, dengue fever, St. Louis encephalitis. Then muxovirus it is responsible for the mumps and measles. Filovirus, Ebola and Marburg. Then retrovirus, this retrovirus is responsible for the HIV infections. This is the RNA virus, and the following are examples for the DNA virus. The example for the DNA virus are herpes virus, papavirus, adenovirus, pox virus, and parvovirus. The herpes virus that is responsible for the herpes and cold sores, whereas papavirus it is responsible for the polyoma worms. Then adenovirus it is responsible for the respiratory complaints. Pox virus it is responsible for the smallpox. Then parvovirus that will cause the canine distemper. Okay. So, what is this drugs that are used for this virus are called as antiviral drugs. These are antiviral drugs are a class of medication used especially for the treatment of viral infections. Usually, we will see some bacterial agents. The drugs that is used for the bacterial infections are called as antibacterial agents. Similarly, the drugs which are used for the treatment of viral infections are called as antiviral agents. They are obligate intracellular parasite, smallest of all self-replicating organism able to pass through the filter that retain the smallest bacteria. See, this virus is the smallest organism that will obligate intracellular parasite. So that will be present in our cell. This is a intracellular parasite that is having very smallest size that will retain even a smallest bacteria. So the drugs which are used for the treatment of virus infections are called as antiviral agents. They can be classified as follows. First one will be purine nucleotides and nucleosides. Example will be acyclovir, gancyclovir, penicyclovir. There are so many examples for this purine nucleotide and nucleoside. Similarly, it will be classified as pyrimidine nucleotide and nucleosides. Example will be trifluridine and cyclophobic. Then thiosemicarbazole. Thiosemicarbazole example will be methysazone. And then adamantane amines. Adamantane derivatives will be amantadine and rimantadine. Then interferons example will be diphtitox and interferons alpha 2. Apart from these, miscellaneous agents also present. One of the example will be phosphorus sodium and ribavirin is also example for the miscellaneous agent. So we will see one antiviral agent. This is used for the treatment of HIV. Zidovudine, the drug which is used for the treatment of HIV. This is the structure of this zidovudine. The chemical name in third position, 3 nitrogen atoms. You can see the structure here. 3 nitrogen atoms are present. So it is called as 3-azido 3-deoxythymidine. So in third position, the hydroxyl group will be present. That will be removed. So it is a 3-deoxy thymidine. So it is an analog of the thymidine in which the azido group is substituted at the third carbon atom of the dideoxyribose bond. So this is the structure of this zidovudine. It is a furon derivative to which the pyruvate nucleus will be attached. Here, second position and fourth position ketone group will be present, and fifth position methyl group will be present. So, the main mechanism of action of this zidovudine, it is active against the RNA tumor virus that are causative agent for AIDS and C-cell leukemia. This is zidovudine. It is an important drug used for the treatment of AIDS and leukemia. Leukemia, you know, it is a white blood cell cancer. Okay. So zidovudine, in the presence of thymidylate kinase, it will be converted into monophosphate. Then in the presence of thymidylate kinase, it will be converted into nucleoside 5' triphosphate. So here it will act as a competitive inhibitor of normal nucleoside 5' triphosphate for the enzyme reverse transcriptase, and or it will be replaced by the reverse transcriptase for incorporation into incomplete proviral DNA. So zidovudine, that will be converted into monophosphate, then it will be converted to the nucleoside 5 plus triphosphate. This is followed by the inhibition of reverse transcriptase. This is the mechanism behind the zidovudine. It is the important drug that is used for the treatment of AIDS, as well as it is used for the treatment of leukemia. I hope you could understand the mechanism and the life cycle of this virus.